One thing that I see all the time is somebody purchases a house and there is an electronic keypad and they want to reset the code, but the old homeowner has changed the master code, which is the code you need to be able to change any code, add codes, delete codes. When you get these from the factory, it's usually 000, and a lot of people leave the master code as that because you can't reset anything except for from the inside, but some people reset that. Now, new homeowners get these and they go, well, what's the old master code? Sometimes the seller doesn't remember, sometimes they can't get a hold of the seller, or maybe you set your master code and you forgot what it was. So in this case, we have a quick set and it has, the master code has been forgotten. And so I just pulled off the back panel that goes over the batteries and it says to restore all preset lock settings, press the R button for over 5 seconds. The programming will complete after you hear 3 long beeps. So we are gonna completely reset this from the back side so we can set a new code and start over even without having the master code. Looking at this from the back, it's a little bit hard to see probably in your view, but right here we have a little R with a button in it. And so this tells us hold it for over 5 seconds and it's complete after you've heard 3 long beeps. So I have a small skinny tip screwdriver I'm gonna hold in there. Okay, so we are reset. So now we can follow the other instructions for setting all of our codes and getting going on a new master code. These locks have a reorientation process. When you set the lock, you have to orient the door so it knows which side it's twisting. And since we've completely factory reset it, we do have to reorient it. So to detect if it's a left or right hand door installation, you unlock the door. The turn piece should face away from the door edge, yep. And then you enter your master code, which is gonna be 0000000 because we reset it. So we're gonna go hit the lock button, press 0, and the lock button. So now it knows which way it needs to go. But if you reset it, you do have to reorient it, so make sure you find the instructions for your particular lock. Now I'm gonna add a new code. Just for instruction purposes, I'm going to add a code and then I'm gonna delete a code because obviously I don't want you to know what the code is to this door, but I'm gonna show you how to add one and then I'll show you how to delete one. So to add a code, you're gonna unlock the door so it's unlocked. We're gonna enter our master code. It's still 0000 because that's the factory set. So we're gonna enter our master code. It's unlocked, master code. Hit the lock button. We're gonna hit 1 and then the lock button. And then we're gonna put our new code. So say it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then hit the lock button. Okay, so now we have a new code. So I'm just gonna see if I unlocked it and I went 1, 2, 3, 4, does it unlock? It worked. So now if I wanna delete the code, the 1, 2, 3, 4, we're gonna unlock the door, it's unlocked. And then we are, okay, to delete this code, unlock the code, enter the master code, so 0000, hit the lock button. We're gonna hit 3, and then the lock button. And then we're gonna enter the code we wanna delete, and hit the lock button. So now I wanna see if I'm locked, and I hit my code, it doesn't work anymore. So we have now deleted that code. So there's other options, delete all codes at once, change your master code, toggle the auto lock on and off, stuff like that. So really, but we've showed you the most important things, how to reset it, how to reorient the direction of the door, how to add a code, and how to delete a code. So now I'm gonna set what my code actually is so I can get my tenant in this house. See you guys.